Mailchimp newsletter tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how can you send a newsletter using Mailchimp. So let's get started. First of all, go to a browser and type mailchimp.com, and then for using Mailchimp, first we have to sign into it. So click on sign up. And then to continue with Mailchimp, first we have to choose a plan. So right now, for the purpose of this video, I am choosing a free plan. And then we have to enter our email address here, our username, and set a password. And we can also choose either we want to receive email from the Mailchimp or not, and then sign up. And then we have to enter some of our personal details like our first name, last name, business name, and we also have to enter our phone number, but it's optional for now. After initial signing up, this is our dashboard, and we have our navigation bar over here where we have create, campaigns, audience, automations, analytics, our websites, content, and below it we have our account detail where we have notification settings, profile setting, and all of these things. For creating a newsletter, we have to click on create, and then email and templates. And we also have pre-made templates that we can use for our email, and I would suggest using templates because they are very handy and easy to use, and you don't need any experience in coding or HTML for using this kind of templates, and that's what makes Mailchimp the best email marketing software. So click on get started. And here we have three options like layouts, themes, and code your own. So in layout type of template, you just get empty boxes where you can fill out information of your product, and you'll get organized look for your email. And then we have these fully designed templates. Like here everything is done for you beforehand, and they are also categorized in different categories, and we can choose it. Like I want to create a newsletter, so I am choosing newsletter. Depending on the nature of your company, you can choose any of these templates, and here you don't have to do anything. You just have to change some text and images, and instead of starting from scratch, I would suggest using these pre-made theme templates if you wanna save your time. So right now I am choosing just a basic newsletter, so I will choose this one. And here we are inside our template, and from here we can edit every single thing in our template. Like here is the logo of this template, so when I click on this, I have option of replacing it, to edit it, and to embed a link with it, or I can remove it. So this is not my business logo, or it is not related to anything for my business. So right now I'm just deleting this logo from here. After changing the logo, I'm going to change this text over here. So I'll just click on this pencil icon, and this will appear here. So I will replace it with my own text, like I will write artist community. And then I also have some special characters here like bold, italic, underline, and then I can also embed a link with this text. I can also add an image to this text. Next, I am going to change the background. Either I can choose any solid color or maybe an image. And then down over here I can also replace this text with mine, and I will replace these pictures with my catalog or maybe something related to my newsletter, and I will make every changes that I had to make. in this newsletter. And then down over here, this is my contact details and also an unsubscribe button to this newsletter. You can also remove this button from here, but I would suggest to keep it. And once we are done with designing this newsletter, all you have to do is just preview and test. And we have two options over here, like enter preview mode or send a test email. In send a test email, you will send an email to yourself or maybe someone to see how it actually looks in email, and then save and close. And after that, click on save and exit. And then I have to name my template, so I will write example for now and then save. Our next step is go to templates from the navigation bar and select the template, and then from here create a campaign and add the name of the receiver, sender, and add your subject. And Mailchimp also provide you the link to this newsletter so that you can share it with your different social media. So this is how you can create a newsletter with Mailchimp very quick. And if Mailchimp is very useful to you, then you can also upgrade to a paid plan. Hope you guys find this helpful, and thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.